This is how day 2 was spent. That flight knocked both of them out. I was up watching Sound of Music by myself. All right, it's day 3 or 4. I'm not sure. The days kind of married together. We're out here doing some sightseeing. I'm not sure what's on the agenda today, but we out here. So here we go. No, good. Well, I can't afford nothing in this store, but I'm going anyway. Oh. It's a nice elevator. Y'all, my husband wants one of these pens. Now this what I'm talking about. Look at this. Okay now. So we just finished the Christian Dior tour. It's pretty cool. So if you're ever here, Harrods,
yep.
Harrods, come to it. It's pretty cool. They had gingerbread men and everything.
You'll see the video.
It's super nice. And it was free. Can't beat free, y'all. It's so good. And now we're trying to find a lift. Which I love saying lift now instead of elevator. Lift. Love that. Looking for another gift. We're in the Apple store. Focused.
Syrup brush. And this is your whole brush library. So when you get home or it is blend.
Okay, I see you with them baby hairs.
Whatever.
Okay. That's gonna be a fresh emoji. Put that on your iPhone. I'm just gonna say this. Don't quit your day job. Who's that? What uncle? Whose uncle is that?
So we have a new friend.
Hey.
We have a new friend.
It's all good.
Thank you.
How you pronounce your name?
My name is Caps.
Caps?
K-A-B-Z.
Thanks for the subscribe, Cavs.
It's all good.
Thank you so much. Okay, so we just left the Apple store. Now we're gonna head to Hyde Park. So yeah, I am so overwhelmed, but in a great way. I'm telling y'all, I may not get back on the plane and go home. I think this is it. Forward all mail to London. I'm really loving it here. It is so nice.
Journey.
All the cobblestones.
Mommy almost ate it. She's smiling.
Don't laugh at mommy.
Your girl, y'all don't know this, but your girl's nickname is Flojo, aka Jacket Journey Kersey. She's a combination of both. Because every now and then she'll skip and fall, which she just did. Shout out to First Lady, aka Flojo, aka
Whatever.
Triple Jump aficionado. If she's not falling asleep on the bus, train, she's falling on a cobblestone, a rock, a street, a sidewalk,
Whatever.
or a subtrain. Chicago.
Whatever. Whatever.
You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my whole. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure.
Almost there. Almost at Buckingham Palace. The dogs, they're not barking, but they've been walking. We're getting closer and closer. Gentlemen baristas. Well-mannered coffee. Let's look around. So after Buckingham Palace, we made our way down to Regent Street to check out all the Christmas lights. And let me tell you, these lights were absolutely gorgeous. Cute fact about Regent Street, it is a major shopping street on the West End, so you know your girl felt super fancy just being down there. Anyway, it's named after George, Prince Regent. Later he was called George IV. After that, we went to Wagamama, which I have been trying to try this place for the longest. Make sure if you ever go, try the prawn pad thai. It's to die for. After that, it felt like it was 20 below, so we ran past Moulin Rouge home. So stay tuned for the conclusion of our London series because we're about to leave and go somewhere else.